Picture the captivating view of the Caribbean islands, where the sun sets painting the sky with hues of pinks and purples over the blue Caribbean waters. Observe the white sandy beaches that glow like pearls, about to be bathed by the crystal-clear waters, and the abundant green rainforest dancing in sync with the fresh coastal breeze. Overlay this breathtaking scene with the text, "Welcome to the Caribbean Islands, your dream vacation awaits." The Caribbean Islands, an imperial archipelago of over 7,000 islands, is not merely a place, it's a dream come true. Hidden in the heart of the Caribbean Sea, this world is filled with energy, diversity, and an outstanding sense of beauty. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Bahamas in the north to the tropical nirvana of Trinidad and Tobago in the south, these islands are a melody of cultures, cuisines, and colors. The Caribbean takes pride in a warm tropical climate all year round, with an average temperature of around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a literal heaven for sun lovers. However, the charm of the Caribbean is not limited to its natural allure. It's a land of vibrant cities throbbing with life, vitality, and a rich cultural history. The nightlife here is a sensory bonanza, from dancing in the streets of Cuba to the reggae beats of Jamaica. In the Caribbean, every day is a jubilation, and the mere act of living is turned into an art form. So, whether you're a beach bum, a food lover, or an adventurer, Caribbean islands have something to satiate the curiosity of every explorer. So, wrap up this scene with an inspiring call to action. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable Caribbean adventure. Your dream vacation is waiting for you here in the heart of your dream vacation awaits. With so many islands to choose from, picking your perfect Caribbean destination can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've got you covered. First up, we have the sun-kissed island of Barbados. Known for its white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, this island is a paradise for sun worshippers and water sports enthusiasts. But there's more to Barbados than just its beaches. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, this island offers a unique blend of Caribbean charm and British elegance. Next is the ever-vibrant Jamaica, an island that pulses with energy, color, and life. From the pulsating beats of reggae music, the aromatic jerk chicken wafting through the air, to the stunning natural beauty of the Blue Mountains, there's no mistaking that you're in the heart of the Caribbean. Over to St. Lucia, an island that's as beautiful as it is diverse. St. Lucia is a nature lover's dream, with its lush rainforests, towering mountains, and breathtaking waterfalls. And let's not forget about the iconic pitons, two volcanic spires that rise majestically from the sea, creating a stunning backdrop for the island. The Bahamas, on the other hand, is all about the beach life. With over 700 islands and cays, each one more stunning than the last, it's no wonder that the Bahamas is known as the ultimate beach destination. But if you can tear yourself away from the beaches, you'll find a rich history, fascinating culture, and a vibrant nightlife waiting to be explored. Last but certainly not least, we have Puerto Rico. This island is a melting pot of cultures, where Spanish, African, and indigenous influences come together to create a unique and vibrant identity. From the historic charm of Old San Juan to the natural beauty of El Yunque rainforest, Puerto Rico offers a diverse range of experiences that are sure to captivate and delight. Each island is a gem waiting to be discovered, promising an unforgettable Caribbean adventure. The Caribbean is a food lover's paradise. Its cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. Imagine the sizzle of jerk chicken, seasoned with a blend of allspice, thyme, and fiery Scotch bonnet peppers, grilling over pimento wood. This beloved Jamaican dish is a testament to the island's African roots and its love for bold, spicy flavors. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, but it's the first bite that truly transports you to the heart of Jamaica. From Jamaica, let's sail over to the Bahamas, where you'll find locals and tourists alike feasting on conch fritters. The conch, a large sea snail, is tenderized, battered, and deep-fried to golden perfection. Each bite is a delightful crunch, followed by the sweet, slightly nutty flavor of the conch, enhanced by a tangy dipping sauce. Now let's venture southwards to the dual-island nation of Trinidad and Tobago. Here, the Indian influence is strong, especially in the popular dish roti. Imagine a warm flatbread enveloping a hearty filling of curried meat or vegetables. It's a handheld delight, perfect for those on-the-go moments when you simply can't resist the tantalizing array of street food. And what would a trip to the Caribbean be without indulging in a rum-infused dessert? From rum cake to rum-infused ice cream, this spirit is a staple in Caribbean kitchens. Picture a rich, moist cake, doused in a buttery rum sauce, its sweetness perfectly balanced by the warmth of the rum. It's a dessert that captures the spirit of the Caribbean, bold, vibrant, and unabashedly indulgent. The magic of Caribbean cuisine lies not just in its unique flavors, but also in its cooking methods. From the traditional jerk pits of Jamaica to the clay ovens of Trinidad, these techniques infuse each dish with a distinct flavor that is hard to replicate. Local ingredients like cassava, yam, and fresh seafood further enhance the authenticity of this cuisine. From street food stalls to five-star dining, the Caribbean offers a culinary journey like no other. The Caribbean is home to some of the world's most stunning beaches, where turquoise waters meet pristine sands. Imagine yourself in the heart of this paradise, where the sun always shines and the rhythm of waves gently lapping at the shore sets the soundtrack to your dreams. Let's take a journey to some of the Caribbean's most renowned beaches. Picture yourself on the 7 Mile Beach in Grand Cayman, an endless stretch of pure white sand kissed by crystal-clear waters. This beach is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a playground for the adventurous. Here you can dive beneath the waves to explore the vibrant coral reefs, or perhaps snorkel with the friendly stingrays. And for those who prefer to bask in the sun, the soft sand is the perfect canvas for your beach towel. Now, transport yourself to the enchanting Pink Sands Beach in the Bahamas. As the name suggests, this beach is known for its unique blush-colored sands, a sight to behold. The calm, warm waters make it an ideal spot for swimming, while the cool breezes invite you to take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline. A picnic here, under the shade of the palm trees, is nothing short of magical. Our final stop is Eagle Beach in Aruba, famed for its wide, white sandy beach and the iconic fafoti trees standing guard at the water's edge. This beach offers a tranquil retreat for those seeking peace and solitude. But if you're up for some action, there's plenty to fill your day, from windsurfing to paddleboarding. The Caribbean beaches are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are a hub of activities, rich with opportunities to immerse yourself in the marine life, to feel the thrill of water sports, or simply to surrender to the warm embrace of the sun. Whether you're a beach bum or a water sports enthusiast, the Caribbean's beaches offer a slice of paradise for everyone. The Caribbean's vibrant culture shines through in its entertainment scene, offering a lively mix of music, dance, and festivals. This is a place where the rhythm of life is set by the beat of the drum, where the spirit of celebration is as endless as the ocean that surrounds these sun-kissed islands. Picture yourself in Jamaica, the birthplace of reggae, where music is not just a form of entertainment, but a way of life. From the pulsating beats of a live concert to the soulful melodies wafting from a beachside bar, reggae music is the heartbeat of Jamaica. It's a rhythm that inspires, a rhythm that heals, a rhythm that unites. Now let's jet over to Trinidad, an island known for its grand carnivals. Trinidad's carnival is a spectacle of color, creativity, and camaraderie. It's a time when the island comes alive with the sounds of soca music and the streets transform into a sea of vibrant costumes and energetic dancers. It's not just a festival, it's a cultural phenomenon that captures the spirit of the Caribbean. And let's not forget Puerto Rico, the home of salsa. The salsa clubs here are legendary, filled with the rhythmic clatter of claves and the hypnotic sway of dancers. It's a dance that tells a story, a dance that invites you to lose yourself in the rhythm, a dance that is as passionate as it is graceful. Music and dance are more than just forms of entertainment in the Caribbean. They are an expression of the region's rich history and diverse culture. They are a testament to the Caribbean's resilience and its unwavering love for life. They are a celebration of the Caribbean spirit, a spirit that is as warm as the tropical sun and as free as the ocean breeze. From rhythmic beats to colorful parades, the Caribbean's entertainment scene is sure to get your heart pumping and your feet moving. Don't wait another moment. Dive into the Caribbean adventure of a lifetime. Allow the rhythm of reggae, the energy of the carnival, the passion of salsa to carry you away to a place where the sun is always shining, where the ocean is always inviting, where the spirit of celebration is always alive. Subscribe to our channel now and let us guide you through the enchanting Caribbean islands. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, travel tips, and insider secrets. Your Caribbean adventure starts here. Subscribe now and let the Caribbean's sun-kissed beaches, vibrant culture, and pulsating rhythms captivate your heart and move your spirit. Ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? The Caribbean awaits.